Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make this rooibos iced tea with peach and citrus fruit. For this iced tea, I used water, oranges, lime, lemon, honey, peaches, and rooibos tea. Cut the peaches and cook the peaches along with a little bit of water over low fire for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the peaches are cooking, juice the oranges, lemon, and lime. Also brew the tea. While the tea is brewing, strain the cooked peaches. Remove the tea bags and let the tea cool down completely. Now add the peach juice and honey. Also add the lemon, lime, and orange juice. And there you have your citrusy, peachy rooibos iced tea. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.